Hello all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 Ounce. Peace all. Yeah, so I'm just prepping up here. Been busy trying to prep up for next Monday's, or actually this coming Monday's rally in Victoria, BC, Canada. So I'm going to be there and I'm going to have some footage there. It should be an awesome time. Again, happy 420 all. I'm still working on my website, loner420ounce.ca. I'm trying to fine tune all the links and stuff like that. So I'm trying to learn all this and deal with everything else. Yeah, so I stayed at home today doing my honey oil. More honey oil dabbing today. Again, happy 420 all, Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. Also, I'm making another pipe here, as you can see. I have the mini. And I have the larger one. I had to cover up the logo. I'm just going to put this mouthpiece right in here. And ta-da! It'll be a larger water pipe. Again, happy 420 all from Loner 420 Ounce. Peace.